Hello Internet. This 4090 from Gigabyte came in a few days ago, which has factory seal still intact, and that's going to be very important as you will learn in just a moment. Customer stated no detect, so before I power it on, at the very least I want to check this fuse, which seems to be okay. And there is no short on 12 volt, either at the PCI Express slot or the cable on the other end of the card, which is very promising. Looks like memory coil is reading dead short, and in here we have 1.2 and 1.8 volt rails, where 1.8 volt is also reading dead short. At this point I wonder if we have a dead core or something. But trust me, core has nothing to do with this, as you will find out very soon. Once I took the card apart, the reason for short on memory, 1.8 volt, and the core having nothing to do with the problem became very clear. Customer stated that this card came from some sort of Best Buy open box deal. Not sure why that is. Maybe you can clarify it for the rest of us in the comment section below. The easiest way to spot this type of scam is to simply look into the crack and see if the core is there to begin with. However, this may not always help you, because sometimes scammers put fake cores and fake memory, as you will discover by watching this video here. Even the factory seal was not good enough, but the more you know, the less likely you're going to fall into this trap. Stay safe out there. Goodbye.